today at ID Park, specifically in Lifewood, and we're here to promote their beauty product, Grace Cole. So they come in a lot of variants na ay mga softening hand and nail cream. They come in five kinds. So na ay vanilla, blush, and peony, ginger lily, and mandarin, na ay wild fig and pink cedar.
Feel akong mas nice ni.
Nectarine, blossom, and grapefruit. And unsa na Gail?
For Harris.
Grapefruit, lime, and mint. Alright, so that's just one of the varieties na ilang ibaligyan. You can see that. Taghan, jud kayo guys. And what I love about their products is nindot kayo ilang packaging. This is the luxury bathing company. Best in row. Daghan sila og mga products actually kani. And they have this. These are all imported from UK. They even have for men too. Kanay gid ang pinaka-bet na guys. These are great for Christmas gifts. If wala pa mo nahuna-hunaan, guys, you can actually buy from them. My code is Margrette, so they're working on getting a voucher code for me sa Shopee and Lazada. And while waiting for that, you can directly message them from their page and just let them know that Margrette referred you to the page para maka-discount mo 30%. This looks like a Christmas ball, but this is still cedarwood and lime blossom. Na ay duha ka buok, two kinds sa sulod. I love this so much. This one, soap bars ni guys. So cute. Amazing. They even have fragrant candle diffuser. There you go.
We have our manager of Lifelux by Lifewood, no other than Miss Marlene Santos.
Thank you for coming. Nagulat yun ko, wala ako in-expect na inaami din siya kabongga ba? Hoy, ayun, i-cover sa vlog ha? Ayun na siya i-cover sa vlog ninyo ha? So I'm Lynn Santos, I'm in charge for Lifewood Philippines. Actually, Lifewood is doing AI data, AI, IT, and e-commerce. So, bago lang actually kami sa market. So, may mga products. These products, Grace Cole, are from London. So, namin mga bagong mga product na mabot from China. Or, alam mo yung Miniso, mga product. So, parang ito siya, parang start-up lang na mo. Kompleto ni tanan o kanang certificate.
That's right. Accreditation.
Whatever, chuchu, FDA, blah, blah, blah. Mas mataas ko sa FDA.
Highest level.
Kalabaw siya ni Victoria's Secret o
Yeah.
ni Bath and Body.
Yeah.